How to add items to Amazon wishlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add items to Amazon wishlist, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add items to your Amazon wishlist, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon shopping application here. And once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're gonna see this type of interface where, let's say that while browsing through something you happen to like is something product, you want to add that to your wish list. The very first thing we have to do is we have to create a wish list, because Amazon by default does not have a wish list. So first we're going to come to this account like icon, and here you can see the your option, or here you can see your list. So you can tap on the see all option next to your list, and now you can just tap on create a list and then simply name this list a wish list, because you can create a custom list because the wish list is not available by default. So I'm just going to name this, let's say, wish list. Then I'll just tap the create list option. Now what I can do is I can simply add products to this wish list. Let's say I like a certain product next time onwards here. So next time whenever you browse through a specific product, you will be able to add that items to the list that you have created. This way you'll be able to add items to wish list in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.